It is raining hard. Look at that. Running down the street. And we don't have our umbrellas. There's a dog just went by me soaking wet. And it's slacking off now. I'm going to walk down the end of the block where it comes down the street. I'm having a hard time to get by. Everybody's screaming. This will be a good video for YouTube, because I've had lots of people that want to see rain in Mexico. Look at it coming down that street just like a river. I've seen it coming down that street a foot deep. Look at it pouring off of this thing on the roof. Now that's Mexican rain. Monsoon. Their water system here really can take the water though. Yeah. And this, well, I don't see any blue sky now, but look at how black that is. Yeah, look at it running off of that roof. Okay, thank you for watching my video. It's thundering and lightning also. The electricity was off when I started this video. It's back on again. See, we're under a roof on an old building that's a couple hundred years old. Okay, thank you.